Josh Elliott, who works for NBC Sports and was big man on campus, I guess, at Loyola Marymount. Were you there when Hank Gathers and Bo Kimble were there, or were you go to Santa Barbara?
No, I went to Santa Barbara, and actually, as you were mentioning today when Bo Kimble joined you, the first incident actually happened. Hank was at the free throw line against Santa Barbara that year, and when he went down, was the unfortunate advent of what was to come. But I grew up in Westchester, and so, it's a kind of a hard scrabble, little middle-class burg right by LAX. And, growing up there was largely forgettable, at least on the national map, until those teams. And suddenly, for a couple years, being from Westchester, living a mile from that campus was the coolest thing in the world. Those teams were, they were video game quality. It was, and I know you know this, but there was never something like it. There will never be something like it again. But God, for that run was epic.
But why hasn't somebody adopted that style? We're all about styles and copying styles that are successful. We do it in the NFL all the time. Why not Loyola Marymount?
It's a great question, and I know that in an earlier 30 for 30, they sort of looked at Paul Westhead, who was the coach of that team, and how he was this wandering soul on the basketball map. I don't know. I think anytime your philosophy is essentially let the other team shoot as much as they want because we'll shoot even more, they would give away layups. I mean, again, it's hard to imagine, especially with the way college basketball is now. But as you remember, these were scores like 150 to 137. I mean, they would let teams run up and down, and they were better conditioned, and they were ready to go, and they were going to shoot threes when they gave you twos. But it's a great question. I mean, again, I heard you sort of bemoaning the current state of college basketball, and rightly so, on a number of fronts. But I don't know if it's something you can necessarily pull off anymore. But again, I mean, thank God for YouTube. I urge everybody, go back, look up those LMU teams. And we're going to have another anniversary coming up here, the 25th anniversary of their second round game. Again, this is without Hank Gathers. They go in, they face a loaded Michigan team, the defending national champion Wolverines. The Wolverines hang 115 points on an LMU team missing its best player and
still
lose
lost. Yeah.
by 34, 149, 115. Jeff Fryer was throwing things from the parking lot that were dropping. It's for me forever.
Hey.
It will be the greatest basketball game I've ever seen.
Thank you, Josh.
Thank you.
Josh,
seriously, thank you.
Josh.
I was marinating this. It was great. That was a great interview with Bo. And again, it was terrific. Thanks for having me on.
All right, bud. Josh Elliott from NBC.